48 Sportster 2019 with a 1200cc and Milwaukee A engine. In 1901, William S. Harley created a blueprint that showed a drawing of an engine stuck inside a bicycle at the age of 21. 2 years later, William S. Harley, along with his childhood friend Arthur Davidson, began working to build a motorcycle in 1903. Because they didn't have a factory at the time, they used a small wooden shed in Milwaukee as a factory with Harley Davidson Motor Company scribbled on its door. This is only a little piece towards today's motorbike triumph. That same year, Arthur's brother, Walter Davidson, also showed interest and joined him in the efforts of building a motorcycle. Later on, in 1903, William and Arthur sold one motorcycle to their school friend Henry Mayer in 1905. Harley Davidson Motor Company hired its full-time employees, which was followed by the hiring of 5 more full-time employees in 1906. The company built a new factory for an increase of manpower in 1906. Arthur's other brother, William Davidson, also decided to join the business. The company was incorporated on September 17th of that year. What is an engine? An engine is a motor that turns one form of energy into mechanical energy. It's also a machine with moving parts that converts power. Harley Davidson 48 has an air-cooled V-twin engine. The name 48 is given because the peanut gas tank was designed in 1948. At this point, you must be wondering how the engine works. Let me explain. An engine has a deflector piston, crankcase, spark plug, exhaust, inlet, and transfer port. The crankcase is used for the gas exchange. There are also a spark plug as well as intake and exhaust ports. A crucial difference is the presence of the transfer port. Let's take a closer look at the individual strokes. In the first stroke cycle, a fresh fuel-air mixture is drawn in the via intake port. It is shown here and is added to the existing mixture in the crankcase. At the same time, the mixture is compressed in the combustion chamber and finally ignited by the spark plug. The second cycle starts. The hot air expands and presses the piston downwards, reducing the volume of the crankcase. Because of that, the mixture is forced into the combustion chamber. At the same time, the fresh mixture forces the exhaust fumes out. Now the cycle starts all over again. I hope you like this video, and I hope you learned something new about Harley Davidson and its engine. It's me, Alicia Zad, signing out.
Ready. Ready.
This is a 2019 Harley Davidson Sportster 48 with a 100
1200 cc.
1200cc. Type of engine in Harley Davidson. Okay, here we go. Let's put this baby in.